Impersonation. Video. Yeah. Where police officer, police officer, regional SWAT.
For Yamama Tinase, Yamama Kwaba, trending stories on social media. Midi Ohene. Na ene stories are yet the April in life. Eya na ya kase, I was a would take a risk in life. Our DBM. Miankasa miwahe, some years back, I took a risk in life, na education sector. One way or the other, a boame. What about you? Risk ben I would take here in life. Aboa, and asamoa. Yemi apen maybe a friend Hassan, avoka. What take a risk in life, but I'm one. Story nina and it's Nima District Police Command. Achisa brantia maboni dia uhuru screen sui. Hassan avoka ya wenye mfie 24 years. Na wo hwe de wi a wasi afa no ho ya uhuru screen sui ya bibie ne wo betro sa brantia enye police ni. Wa dress e wo police uniform. Ya police nkrabata ye frɛ wo SWAT. Wo hwe niamma e wo no ho. Bibie ne wo chesa brantia enye police ni. He is such a very humble, handsome guy. Now, risky I was taking in life, I'm not them papa. We're posting himself as a police personnel. Yeah, now we dina and crying circle. Nana, what direct cars, and your way or bet you see ya. Now, Fofi and Twata, Nitia Nye, or Quachia, who did no call police stations and common fan two or four. Now, one or no call here. Abra on road in true honor. Now, one on my jana no money at the nation. And commanders me room credit and mawa. And he said, a brantia near friend Hassan, avocat 24 years, yeah, what post on the 7 police personnel, yeah, no Janaqua, which is for direct in Yaman. According to sources in nature, said, a brantia be a no use Okada, a bit more, no stop on a one stop or yeah, me a chill. And then maintain once a casacasa by or the one do police station. Once the police force your more on terms. Officer greetings, I say, take come, sir. Permission to leave, sir. Permission to go, sir. And you on terms now. All correct, sir. I say, all correct, sir. And to say, do honor, avocat me and chess and any permission to leave, sir. Permission to go, sir. All correct, sir. Sir, I'm chest out, chesting. Charming to me and yes, I did. Or of what? Arewe pa. And you know, station officer no wo to Hassan anoa ehu se the we Hassan ene ye ne niama se tie de wonye sure say akwai ayo post ni eno ne push to the wa za chama anya post ni mum risk na what take in life akwa wie ni say and wachi no ye de ko ni fie eko boss search ehwe se ebia ne niama hodo bi a oye eka ho tie yede no ko ni fie ko yen hwehwemu no aprosifo atade tuntum no top and down no ene che ne ne mpaboa ebi da fie we twamfoni kama pa apesti no odan ho a ohye police ni atade ebi wo fie sa bullet proof niama ya bone bo a wo hwe wo screen so yi e on ho bi wo fie handcuff tuo any security belt any niama any police for atade ba ko bi no mo hia ite se nanka no anu so wo bi wo ho. Now the question is sanya mawi wonya na we yenko comment section na yenko hwe de nkrofo so eka now oba comment section na Ruben Techi Kosa question a medical busa ye eno ana ono so ebusa So where did he got all these from? Sanyama guni police forche, bulletproof, tuntumi omudi gu omukomwi, handcuffy, wonyeni na edi friifa. Yes. At least as say, Osheni Dimina, he looks very serious. Richard also say, I love his vim. Smoke say, I love his confidence. Most of you don't even believe in yourself to even take any types of risk. Good job, Ghana Police Service. Anti risk here, Hassan eteki ye, and when ye Moses say, there is something wrong somewhere. Where did he get all these uniforms and protective devices to be using? Question mark. Junior say, don't push him. He really loves the work. So please recruit him to work in the police service. Sana say kono. If any dimina, any day we are charm, I say serious. Yem fan a jumanana. And I say I'm running any need. Ohene say he definitely got all these attire from inside that. Just recruit him. Na se ususu ono ususu say obi wo Ghana Police Service no omo nunu ma obi hyemu a on the provided sa niama we nyina edema no. Now Benjamin say, so what is the next step? Obisa Ghana Police Service. Pakwesi say, I see him every day there. Circle horn, maybe I'll take no. Or say de bia ohuno ho. Bright nyako say, so where did he get the uniform? Question mark. Any question obi busa. And the comment in there, bebre na and the waha wankasa okenkan at the amount. Now, what was share yeah, what was uti no. Also side opinion of this story yeah, the amount from Hassan, advocate 24 years. Yeah, what posting himself as a police personnel our circle. Chechen Crawford, park. And now on what you will be at a call police station say I'm finding two mono. Or no more action a journey partner. Nina say on your posting. Osheni Dimina, any day I will say I serious and the confidence level and sir was a risk here. What taking no? Young fan of police in direct. And I say I'm running in we are and need to post in one. No afa kwampano suna wako post. Under the comment section, leave your comment and we will share with the rest of the world. Miko idea omintemrim on the Nana Bema Spiritual and Herbal Center, Kumasi, Kenya, say Kinkasi Gawo Junction. Soon fem when I'm fem, Aquentusem, Kratasem, Diabo, a dear beer how piano. Bra, Nana Beboa. Bema went me the tray of Cotiu. Nipa Saotewa, ye, Nipa Sao Cotiu. But more than Nidikan and son of Cotiu. But so Cotitimu, Nabra, what he has a day and now yet yes, you. But more than never yet drew, Bema drew, Bema Cotti, Ginas of multimedia deep chair. I'm a wow, say what the chama on water. Number in the screen national. Fan a friend and Abema on the one omintemin. Nanabe Joso, Ababo, when you are saying it. Midwest, or